Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Azadeh, and in today's video I'm gonna show you my favorite hair mask ever. I promise your hair would love this mask, especially if it's broken, thin and in need for more nutrition. But before we begin, if you haven't subscribed already, please don't forget to subscribe. If you want to know every single time I post a video, click the subscribe button right down here. Now you know whenever I post a video, and it makes me really happy. Let's get straight into the video. You'll need a banana because your hair loves potassium. It's great for strengthening and thickening fine hair. 2 tablespoons honey. It will add moisture and shine to even the dullest head of hair. 2 tablespoons olive oil, which is rich in vitamin E, prevents breakage and strengthens hair, also hydrates dry or brittle hair. 2 tablespoons yogurt. Yogurt has lactic acid in it, which is an exfoliator, and it helps exfoliate the dead skin cells off of your scalp, which helps your hair grow much faster. First puree the banana and then add the yogurt and mix to have a creamy white mixture, and then add honey and olive oil to mix well together. Now our mask is ready. If you are not doing this in the shower or above the sink, you better to drape yourself with a towel, just so you don't get any of this on your clothes. You can use your hands or brush for applying, or use a squeeze bottle like it. You're just going to start to applying this all over your hair from scalp all the way to the ends of your hair, and you just want to completely saturate your hair in this. The more the better, so be generous in this stuff. Use a shower cap if you want. You're just going to leave it on your hair for 30 minutes, and if you have more time, leave it. The longer the better. Then you're just gonna wash it out, and believe me, you're gonna have the softest, shiniest, healthiest looking hair ever. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.